What up, guys? Today I'm going just to hang out with some friends, eat dinner, hang out at our friend Torin's house. But I'm bringing my Polaroid, so hopefully gonna get some nice pictures of the boys just chilling. So I do still shoot on Polaroid, and I know some of you know that I just got a 35mm film camera. So hoping to get into that more and more. But that doesn't mean I just don't love my Polaroid. I love my Polaroid still. Still gonna use it, still shooting with it, still gonna make videos about it. So yeah.
To ready it to up there.
We're gonna go take some photos with the Polaroid, hang out with the boys too.
You suck.
Shrunk it down to like a bite-sized piece and you ate it. Do you think you'd be able to taste any of the food in the store?
No.
See, I'm with Eric.
You guys are idiots.
You're not with Eric, because you just said
No,
microscopic.
no.
He used that same thing to validate his point
like
against
the
mine
size of
before.
like a Lego or
No.
Whatever size that allows you to break down the store physically in your
Originally,
mouth. Like
when the question was brought up, we
like
said
fun-size candy
a
bar.
Chick-fil-A, right? But then it grew to a grocery store because Chick-fil-A, you wouldn't be able to taste anything. That's just the general consensus.
This is
people
not
thinking.
intelligent people stuff to talk about.
Kind of stupid.
Plus, that boy, he getting twerked on when he's 2. Just imagine when he's like
Hey, start him young.
18.
You know, okay.
Ratio of him getting twerked on to me getting twerked on. He's been twerked on 100% more than I have.
And he's just 2.
And he's 2, bro.
He has the potential for all he knows to be ass. Like everything he knows. Everything he understands.
I don't even know what you're saying.
Yeah, what do you...
Yeah, you weren't breastfed. You were definitely fed formula as a baby.
But like,
I've been alcoholic since I turned.
always smoking. And the house smells
Since
like
I've been
shit.
21.
It clings to her. Like, she goes outside. Every time I get home, it's like her...
of our clothes in the laundry room. I left one.
Apples and orange. That guy.
Back on my way.
Keep singing, you're really good. Wait, Ethan, who sings this?
First, Bjorn's.
Bjorn, it's Bjorn, you freaking idiot. But also, let's keep it that way. And...
Hey, twerk. Myles, twerk on.
Shower?
Oh shit! How do you turn it off? Oh my gosh. Alright, who's going?
I'm too scared.
Full blast right, baby. Let's get it. In life, Mouse is like one step away from that Lemming Winks from South Park.
I probably can't tell
like,
after
you
that
make that
bidet
pussy
anyway.
So like sometimes
That
you don't know
giraffe
that it's
pussy.
like that's
Look
the
at
whole
this
thing.
I don't know if I was gay,
I would break
I would
you.
not.
I would lead you on hard as fuck.
I'd catfish you hardcore.
I'd literally make you fall in love with me and then mess with your brain.
Throw them in the trash.
Yeah, true that.
If I was gay, I would definitely not like you.
But I do not know. I mean, maybe,
Sounds like an idiot. What the fuck is an Island Road?
Made onto DVDs, but I don't know what happened to them. I can only find like 2.
Beats me.
Island.
Oh, it's a land road. They're saying land road ahead.
Oh, there should be. There is
Like
Land Road ahead.
Yeah.
That's it, there's one.
What about the...
You can't see me.
Post one picture of the bathtub and all these.
Yesterday I was nothing. Then I posted.
Is this like a...
Don't be shy. Put some more.
Don't
be shy. Put some more.
Don't be
shy. Put some more. Don't be shy. Put some more. Heidi, you had a chance to fix me. Wah!
That's probably the best TikTok I've ever seen.
Wah! Wah! With me when I want some milk. Mommy! Mommy! Oh shit.
Give me some more.
That ain't it. You don't know the lyrics.
Put some more. Don't be shy. Put some more. It's okay.
Ah! Ah! My eyes! Better prank Myles.
This shit about cum. It's funny.
Pressure cook, Mike.
Got him. School is.
No.
That's what I said. Sodium chloride. Ew, gross. You suck.
Penis music.
SpongeBob low-key got the best soundtrack though.
Dude, Kelpie G.
This is how gay people mob.
Oh shit, that's how I be doing it.
Fuck.
That's the gayest shit I've ever done. Easily.
Gross. You suck.
Aha! I just want McDonald's, man. Why, man? Make some French fries, man. That's all I can do, man. Y'all don't know how to vibe.
You need to go insane to stay sane.
Hey, true that.
That's the most sane shit I ever heard, man. See ya, player. See ya, Myles. See ya, players. Next time I might you get a ball thicker than with the neutron style. Very fun night. You know how me and the boys always do whenever we're the links. We causing a ruckus. Bring them up.
At a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home ride.